Alright, hey guys, time for a tutorial. Too Tall Toby posted this sick challenge today in his Model Monday live stream, and I must admit, it threw me. Took me a good half hour to work it out after watching the stream and trying a few different things. I finally identified where my problem was. If this was in a tournament, would have been well knocked out from this file, but I think I've been able to work out a pretty smooth way of doing it now. So yeah, let's give it a go. I'm going to go through it, talk you through what I'm thinking here, how to attack this model now that I've seen it and sat on it for a little bit. Yeah, and hopefully I can do better next time with it. So I'm just going to park that down the bottom corner here, and let's go. So let's do it. 5 features, a couple of sketches, and just be very specific about the relations that we're putting in, particularly on our sketches for that X shape. Let's do it. All right, I'm starting with the section view, and I'm just getting a construction line in there and then going to sketch this profile down the bottom. Not worrying about dimensions yet. I'm just getting the shape right. I'll come back for dimensions later. Now I'm using the 200mm circle on the outside plus the 30mm diameter for those arcs, 15mm radius. That's going to give me my full width, 230. And then while I've got that construction line selected in the middle, I'm going to try and get the rest of those diameters in there. So that's nice and quick. Okay. And then my other dimensions, done this a few times now, so I don't even have to look at the drawing. Cheat, get that tangent, and this is the thick section, so it's going to be 15. That is fully defined. We'll do a revolve, and then the trickiest part of this whole model is on this sketch that I'm about to do. As I've said, in the last 2 times I've stuffed this up, but recorded it or didn't record it, just have to be very specific about the relations you're trying to put down. So I'm going to make sure I'm not dropping these art points on this construction line here. I only want that construction line for the center point of that arc. Now, maybe I shouldn't have drawn it anyway. That would probably save me some time, and I can just dimension from the origin to that point. Maybe that would work. 100, all right? And I'll give that tangency. I'll make sure they're parallel, and I'm going to mirror those 3. I'm going to put a fillet in between these 2, 18, and dimension that center point of that fillet, 140. Once we put that in and our angle, that sketch is fully defined. All right, that might have been quick, but you can always slow down on replay. All right, now I'm going to mirror, trim away the insides, because then what I can do is an extruded cut up to this surface, flipping the side to cut, and then I've got my general shape. All right, I think that's the trickiest part of the whole model, getting that sketch right. This one is a little simple extrude up, 10mm. Here we need to do our holes. I've got the settings for the counter already in there, 12, 20, and 5, going through all. I just need to find the positions. I'm on center point. And then our last step is going to be those fillets. 14mm, 1, 2, 3, 4. No quick selection for these ones. And then measurement 4416, done. That's the way to do this model. Be very careful of this tricky sketch here and that section view, man. Section view going through the middle, but not parallel with those edges. Nice one. All right, looking forward to the next stream and the next challenges. Have a good week all.